Good morning students. We were doing chapter 6 of civics political parties. In previous lecture beta we have read about the national political parties and state political parties. So today we will continue with the same topic and we will read about different national political parties in detail. First of all beta we have read what are national political parties. The parties which are active in the whole country or in many states are known as a national political party. And if any party want to become national political party, what were the conditions? First condition थी कि they must win at least 6% of the votes in Lok Sabha elections. Second condition was that they must win 4 seats in Lok Sabha. Third condition was that they must win elections in at least 4 states. So if any political party is fulfilling all these conditions, then it can be referred as a national political party. So in 2019 election, 7 national political parties fought election. So we are going to read about them. We are reading about their ideology, their founder, their founding date, okay, all these things. So let us start first of all with All India Trinamool Congress, AITC. All India Trinamool Congress is mainly, but it was established in 1988 and its chairperson is Ms. Mamata Banerjee, and its a symbol is flowers and grasses. Okay, so this party became national political party, and it got near about 3.84% votes in 2014 elections, and it has won near about 34 seats in 2014 elections. And the most important thing is this party is ruling on West Bengal since 2011, and it is also active in Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and Tripura. Second national political party we are going to do is Indian National Congress, INC. It is a very old political party. It was formed in 1885 by British officer A.O. Hume, and it played very important role in the freedom struggle of India. You have read about all in Congress na in British India, how it played important role in bringing freedom, है ना? So that party only. Its a symbol is hand. All are knowing, I think you all are knowing what is the symbol of Congress Party, Indian National Congress Party, hand. Okay, so it was formed in 1885, I told you, by A.O. Hume, and Jawaharlal Nehru played very important role in this party. He became the first Prime Minister of India on behalf of this political party, and every time first three general elections were won by this political party, Congress Party. ठीक है, but it has ruled on country till 1977 continuously. First elections were held in 1951-52. So since then to 1977, which party was making government at center at Lok Sabha? This Congress Party. Every time थोड़ा बहुत वोट्स का ये था कि कम ज़्यादा हो जाता था नंबर ऑफ सीट्स, है ना. फर्स्ट थ्री जनरल इलेक्शंस के बाद कम होना शुरू हो गया था इसकी पॉपुलैरिटी, बट फिर भी क्या था, ऑलवेज इट यूज टू विन द elections up to 1977. Then again in 1980 to 1989. After 1989, its support, its popularity decreased a lot throughout the country. फिर भी बेटा ये again in 2004 it was able to make government, okay, under UPA, United Progressive Alliance. I have told you about alliance, है ना. So this UPA alliance was able to make the government from 2004 to 2014. Okay, so now we are going to read about its ideology of Congress. First of the thing beta, it has faith in secularism, democracy. It especially believe in welfare of the weaker section of the society and minorities, and it is having also faith in economic reforms, but with the human face. So main ideology यही है आपकी, and this INC has won 44 seats and 19.3% of all votes in 2014 elections. Okay, so its performance is yet not good. Okay, and currently it is working as opposition party. So this was all about your Indian National Congress. Third political party which we are going to read is Bharatiya Janata Party. Bharatiya Janata Party was founded in 1980 by reviving the erstwhile Bharatiya Jan Sangh. भारतीय जनसंघ. एंड बेटा जो इसकी आइडियोलॉजीज़ हैं, सबसे जो मेन आइडियोलॉजी, इट वांटेड टू मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग नेशन विद मॉडर्न इंडिया by drawing inspiration from India's ancient culture and value. यानी it wants to make modern India, but it have faith in old heritage of India also, culture of India. ओके, वो कहते हैं कि कल्चर को भी हमें अपना नहीं भूलना है, अपनी जो हेरिटेज है उसको भी नहीं भूलना है, साथ साथ कौन सा आउटलुक अपनाना है हमें, मॉडर्न आउटलुक. ओके, दूसरा है सेकेंड आइडियोलॉजी इज़ कल्चरल नेशनलिज्म और हिंदुत्व की पॉलिसी. हिंदुत्व पॉलिसी इज़ द मेन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ बीजेपी. ओके बेटा, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है इसका, इट वांट्स फुल टेरिटोरियल एंड पॉलिटिकल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर विद इंडिया, विच दे हैव डन ऑल्सो. ओके, यू नो ना कि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर इज़ नाउ ए यूनियन टेरिटरी. According to Article 370, special status was given to Jammu and Kashmir, which is finished last year by this BJP government only. Okay, next ideology is beta, next ideology main principle of BJP is a uniform civil code for all people living in the country, irrespective of religion. And they wanted to ban the religion conversion also in our country. Our country is secular and all are having right to convert their religion. If anybody wants to change his or her religion, he can do, but this party is completely against the conversion of religion. So all these were the main ideologies of Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Its symbol is lotus, all are knowing, I think. Okay, beta, up to 1990 na, it was founded in 1980, and up to 1990 it was not so popular. After 1990s it became popular, and especially in which area it was popular. It was limited to north and west India, to urban areas only, and slowly it spread its support in south, east and northeast India, and to the rural areas also. It came to power in 1998 as the leader of National Democratic Alliance, NDA. When they made NDA with other parties, state parties, then they were able to win the election in 1998 and made the government. But they lost election in 2004, and again they were able to make their government in 2014 under the guidance of Modi ji, and again in 2019 election BJP has won the election, and it is a presently ruling party on India. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पार्टी, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, नेशनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज बहुजन समाज पार्टी, BSP. BSP was formed in 1980 by Kanshiram. Okay, and it seeks to represent the Bahujan Samaj. Bahujan Samaj includes all Dalits, all Adivasis, other backward classes and religious minorities. Okay, it draws inspiration from the teachings of Sahu Maharaj, Mahatma Phule. Do you remember Mahatma Phule? He has done great work for the untouchables. So yani this party has got inspiration from Sahu Maharaj ideology, from Mahatma Phule, Periyar Ramaswamy Naicker ji, and B.R. Ambedkar, father of Indian Constitution. Okay, so but better, this party is mainly active in Uttar Pradesh, and it has support in its neighboring countries also, such as Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Punjab. In these states also it is active, and it has formed government in Uttar Pradesh several times. In 2014 Lok Sabha election, it has got 4% of votes, only 4% of votes, and no seat it was able to win in Lok Sabha elections 2014. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पार्टी बेटा आपकी CPI, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया. Communist Party of India was formed in 1925 and it has faith in Marxism and Leninism. Okay, but it support the secularism and democracy also side by side and opposed communalism. But क्या हुआ, because of internal dispute in 1964 this party was divided into two groups, CPI and CPI-M. अभी उसके बाद हम CPI-M के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. And its main presence is in which state? Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Okay, in 2014 election beta it got less than 1% of the seats, less than 1% of the votes, and seat is only one seat in 2014 elections. So this was all about CPI. Now I told you कि CPI was having internal dispute and in 1964 it was divided into two parties, CPI and CPI-M. So now next national political party is CPI-M, यानी Communist Party of India, Marxist, M for Marxist. It was formed in obviously 1964. It was having also faith in Marxism and Leninism. It also supported socialism, secularism and democracy. ये सब आइडियोलॉजी है बेटा इनकी. And opposes imperialism and communalism. Okay, so in which state this party is active? This party enjoys strong support in West Bengal, Kerala, Tripura, especially among the poor section, and we can say poor workers, poor industrial workers, farmers, agricultural laborers. All these are the main supporters of CPI-M. Okay, उसके बाद देखो बेटा, in 2014 elections it got only 3% of the votes, 3% of the votes and 9% of the seats. 9 seats only it got in Lok Sabha election. So this was all about your sixth political party. Now last national political party we are doing, Nationalist Congress Party, CPI. CPI, it was formed in 1999 because of the split in the Congress. It was formed by Sharad Pawar, P.S. Sangma and Tariq Anwar. They took we can say initiative to form a separate political party, Nationalist Congress Party, and NCP, we can say NCP. So main ideologies are they have faith in democracy, Gandhian secularism, equality, social justice and federalism. And they want that high offices in the government be confined to natural born citizen of the country, and it is a major party in Maharashtra, and its presence is also in Meghalaya, Manipur and Assam. So this was all about your all national political parties. Now next topic is state political parties. State political parties are active in a particular state. Okay, so to become a state political party, conditions we have already done. So beta, day by day the importance of these state political party is increasing. Earlier these were not so important, but as the coalition era was started in India in 1989 onwards, no single party was able to win the majority. Then these state parties became very important because they started becoming the part of alliances. Okay, on next page, on page number 82 beta, on Indian map so many state political parties are given. You have to learn their symbol, their name and the state in which they are active. So I will tell you few. First of all, let us start from Punjab. In Punjab beta, the main state political party is Shiromani Akali Dal. Shiromani Akali Dal, and it was founded in 1920. And in Haryana the main state political party is Indian National Lok Dal. It was formed in 1977. ऐसे ही बेटा in Uttarakhand Uttarakhand Kranti Dal. It was formed in 1979. You have to learn their symbols also. In Uttar Pradesh the main state political party is Samajwadi Party, which was formed in 1990. 2. Then in Bihar the main political party is Janata Dal. Okay, like this beta. In Sikkim Democratic Alliance. Okay beta, ये सब you have to learn. In Assam United Democratic Front, which was formed in 2006. In Maharashtra the main state political party is Shiv Sena, which was formed in 1966. Like this you have to do. So many political parties are there, and we will do main learn it. Goodbye.